Hello friends, welcome to Let's Tude. My name is Neerav Doshi. In previous session, we learned how to download and install Tally ERP 9. And in this session, we will learn how to create a company in Tally ERP 9. So let's start with this session. Before we start, अगर आप हमारे चैनल पे नए हैं तो don't forget to subscribe and hit bell icon to get notified for new videos uploaded. And you can also visit our website www.letstude.com where you can get complete basic to advanced Tally course and many other free courses. Double click on the Tally ERP 9 icon and this window screen will appear. Try to avoid using mouse while you are using Tally ERP 9. It will surely saves your time. Press enter key on create company option. First, directory box will automatically select the path of the data where the data folder will be saved. Then mention the name of the company. Name mentioned here will be used as reference name. See, for example, we have mentioned as XYZN company. Then press enter. Then comes mailing name and address. Here write the full name of the company with proper address. This address will be mentioned in all your sale invoices. And then press enter. Select the country name as India. Then select the state in which your business is applicable. Say here we will select Maharashtra. Suppose if you have more than one branch, then you can also create different companies of each state. Mention the contact details like phone number, mobile number, fax, email and other website details as well. So if your business is started on 1st August 2020, then type 1st April 2020 in financial year. Because in India, financial year starts from 1st April and ends on 31st March. And then press enter. And then type 1st August 2020 in books beginning from option. Next is security control. You can set up password in order to secure your data. This will allow access to your data only to authorized users which you want. Time being, we are not doing this option. And then press enter. Next is other base currency information. So time being, simply press enter button on the other default options. And in this way your company will be created. So you can see how easily a company is getting created in Tally ERP 9. So in next session, we will learn what is a gateway of Tally. So that's it for this session. Thank you.